In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter Doordash promo code. By the end, you'll know exactly where to put your code, how to make sure it applies correctly, and what to check before you pay so you don't miss any savings. First, open your web browser and go to the Doordash website. Make sure you're on the official site and that you're browsing in the correct region for your location. Promo codes are tied to location and market, so being on the right site helps prevent errors later. Next, log into your account. Look for the sign-in option at the top of the page. You need to be logged in for the promo code field to appear consistently and for any discount to attach to your order. Once you're in, confirm your delivery address so you see the right restaurants and fees. Now add items to your cart. Browse restaurants, pick your dishes, and customize as needed. Keep an eye on any minimum subtotal requirements that might be mentioned in your promo's terms, because many codes require you to meet a certain amount before they work. Also remember that most promos reduce the subtotal and often don't cover taxes, tips, or certain fees. When your cart looks good, click Checkout. This takes you to the order review page where you'll see your items, fees, and the total before any discount. Take a moment here to make sure everything is correct: quantities, special instructions, and delivery details, so you apply the code to the order you actually want. On the checkout page, look for the promo code field. It's typically in the order summary area or near the payment section and may read promo code, or add promotion. Click into that field to open it. Enter your code carefully. If you're pasting, remove any extra spaces at the beginning or end so it registers properly. Most codes are not case sensitive, but accurate spelling still matters. Click Apply. Wait a moment for the page to refresh. If the code is valid and your order meets the terms, you'll see a line showing the discount and your total will update automatically. Before you pay, confirm the discount is actually showing in the summary. If nothing changes, the code could be expired, restricted to certain restaurants, tied to delivery or pickup only, limited to first-time users, or short of a minimum subtotal. Adjusting your cart or using a different eligible code can help. Once the discount is clearly applied and your total looks right, you're ready to place the order and enjoy the savings.